Hello everyone, this is not yet, December 30th, and I'm trying out some new technology. I got a microscope camera, and the pictures work great, except you may feel like a drunken sailor when I put the video of this Zuni corn harvest necklace. It's called the mother crop for the Indians of the Southwest. This particular one is a Zuni corn harvest, and I did look it up, found it on Etsy, where they're asking $240 for the necklace and matching earrings. And I'm going to describe it a little bit. I don't know if I can figure out how to add some music, so there may be some dead spot in the video, but enjoy the pictures. It is Spiny Oyster is what I discovered on the internet. I was going to guess that it was some sort of boulder turquoise. It is not marked, but it did come out of Gallop, New Mexico. It is the Indian corn, which gives it that special look, but my understanding it is Spiny Oyster. It is sterling silver chain. It's got a nice clasp on it, and then it has the matching stud earrings. Zuni 16-inch necklace and matching stud earrings. Each of the pendants on the necklace, which is 3, are about 1 inch by 1 3/4, and the earrings are about half that size. They're sterling silver, and I don't think they're marked, but I have them on a card now and I forgot to check. So I'm going to put in the description what I think it's worth, and then I'm going to put in the price that I'm asking for. If you email me at thelittlemuddyfarm@gmail.com, the one listed on Etsy is $240 and free shipping if they still have it, and I'll probably take that price, or if somebody offers me $200, I'd probably take that also. So you all have a good evening. I don't know exactly when I'm going to post this, because I'm putting this through GarageBand, iMovie, and a number of other applications, so it's not quite as quick as off the cuff going live on YouTube. So have a nice evening, and we'll talk with you later. Thank you.